Today I will be explaining about the hat matrix, and it is said that the hat matrix has the magical properties. This is the definition of the hat matrix. First of all, among the magical properties of hat matrix is symmetric. So I'll prove that the hat matrix is symmetric. So you know what is the definition of a symmetric matrix? A matrix is said to be symmetric if it is a square matrix and also A transpose is equals to A. So here we need to prove that H transpose is equal to H, right? Yeah. Now consider H transpose. So that is equals to X multiplied by X transpose X whole inverse X transpose whole transpose. We know that AB whole transpose is equals to B transpose A transpose. So here the H transpose will become X transpose X transpose X whole inverse of transpose, and then this is X transpose. Now we know that X transpose of transpose is equals to X, and here X transpose X whole inverse of transpose can be changed to X transpose whole inverse. Now this is X transpose. Now you consider this. What is this? So this is X, and this one will be like AB whole transpose is B transpose A transpose. So we'll be mentioning X transpose. So this is whole inverse of X transpose. Now this one is equals to X transpose, and this is X, this is whole inverse, and this is X transpose. Now if you see this itself is equals to H. So therefore we have proved that H transpose is equals to H. Hence hat matrix, which is H, is symmetric.